There we have it. It's alive! Running a million times better than what it was when I first got it. Too low. With such high compression it doesn't like the fucking idle. So it's been a fair while since I had my little Suffolk actually running. So, well actually no, not running, since I made a video of it. Because I've been having bugger ass problems with this stupid Zenith carb. It's absolutely useless. So, I think when I made my little gasket for it, I may have got a little bit of cardboard into the high speed needle. I mean, you put it in choke, even putting your finger over the inlet on there and yanking it over, then you take out the plug, it's not even wet, you can't flood it. Even screwing both needle screws all the way out, full throttle, finger over that, tried everything. It just, once you get fuel up into it, it does run. So what did I do? I put on this. This is a carb from that engine there, but the problem it's having is that this one needs that little hole just there from crankcase compression to actually pump the fuel. So my plan was, I took it off and then not realised I could just lift the fuel tank up and let it gravity feed in. Then I had another brainwave, and I'd already taken this off, so I thought, instead of whipping this one back on, save myself the hassles of having to do it later, and just take the one out of my chainsaw and just see how that goes. So I did. That's out of that. I need to put it all back together yet, but I can't because I'm using bolts from this to hold that carb onto the Suffolk. So we go over to the Suffolk. My mountain of shit there is absolutely fantastic, I'm sure. Many things there, including, which maybe, just maybe, me and a friend might start playing around with that, but not sure, should be fun. So here we have a little chainsaw carb. The only one problem that there is that this inlet manifold bolt directly to the block here. It's very close to the cylinder, gets very hot, and the Zenith carb was further away as well, the gubbins of it down here, so I had a lot more area to dissipate heat. This not so much. This carb is fairly hot, so I'm going to give it a start, see if it works, and see what happens. Obviously I haven't painted the shroud yet, because I don't have the paint, but the block is sexy. Look at that, and it has no exhaust, so also, I'm going to have to quickly plug my camera in, otherwise the battery's going to die. Quick. I never noticed this before. I knew it was dead and that needed charging, but I've got to plug the charger in. So, here we go. Trying to start this is going to be interesting. I was standing on the other side doing this before, but I can't now because I've got camera wire in the way. Bitch. Whore. I have to put you down because this is absolutely impossible. I don't know where I'm going to put you though. Let me just move the heater out of the way. I'll put you here. You still can't see fuck all, so keep it off for a little while. There you go. Now, hopefully, you can see. Now I'm going to wire in the way. Okay, there we go. Now we'll do it. Come on, Hall. Come on, you're working fine a little while ago. Before I turn it off. This engine kills you very quickly trying to pull start it. This wood is very slippery. I don't know how much fuel's left yet. The chances are it's probably just started there. I know what I can do. I'm going to disconnect this fuel line and just feed some fuel through the pipe because it's gravity at the moment. Okay, that's my problem. There ain't no fuel in it. Fantastic. Shit. I put loads of fuel in this tank. Very thirsty, supposedly. Well, no, maybe I didn't put that much in. Okay, I'll have to refill it then. Fantastic. Good thing I have a plan for refilling this thing. I'll leave the camera running, it don't matter. Hello Honda engine. Well, fake Honda engine. Oh well, same difference. Oh. One time I don't have any fuel. Okay, I've got a little bit more fuel in there. Not loads, but it'll be enough. Okay. Pop the end of the tank up as well. That'll help. By everything I can see, it should work. Bitch. Big bitch. Alright. Ta-da! So, cool. Why is my battery light coming up saying I've only got 1 bar left? The charger's turned on. Odd. Very odd.